This is a disclaimer, which means whatever job openings I'm going to say with you, just authenticate from your end, because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, right? Now let me start. This is the first opening that we have, which is for the cybersecurity SOC analyst, right? They want you to have basic knowledge of SIEM, EDR, basic understanding of networking and threat hunting, 24 into 7 rotational shift, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Mail ID is HR@, anysecurity.com, right? Now next opening is again in NCR. This is basically for the detection engineer and SOC. They're hiring for SOC analyst. They're hiring for detection engineer, threat hunting, 4+ years of experience. A required SIEM, Splunk, Sentinel, Elastic, MITRE ATT&CK alert, enrichment, threat hunting, false positive detection, and all those things is required. And you are going to work with the US team. NCR candidate is more preferable. This is the mail sanvi.srivastava@mavenworkforce.com is the mail. So the next opening is basically for the cybersecurity application security consultant, right? So this position is in Bangalore, minimum 2.5 years of experience required. This is application security tester opening, right? And this the key requirement is all those things, and the other requirements qualification. Abhishek.sahu@ rsmindia.in is the mail, and this is what you need to write on the subject line: application security consultant application, and then your name should be there, right? So this is exactly what they are looking for. You should have good knowledge about application security pen testing, right? And now the next opening is basically in the, I told you already this one. Sorry guys, today is that's all because I was having less opening because of some less time, right? Probably I'll come up with the new openings tomorrow itself. Meanwhile, if you want to join training of internship program on web application pen testing, today is the last date to join. If you have any question, you can drop in the chat box. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai.